This person is brave in telling the truth no matter where he is. Many people are impressed by his courage and skill, even though he has many enemies. He is Romeo Guerrero, also known as Rapido, a well-known Cavite Filipino battle rapper. From the popular Flip Top Battle League, famous for his rapid-fire delivery, clever bars, and humorous style. Although Flip Top rappers use harsh words, swearing, and they slander each other. But Rapido, built different, he uses the truth that he heard inside the Church of Christ to tell people that their beliefs are wrong.
O paano ka naging sagrado? Kung sinasampo mo yung rebultong santo, gawa lamang ng tao. Ang basihan lang ay presyo, magkano? Nung minsan namubog ka sa pagkatalo, yung isa magpago, nagpakadesperado, gusto lagi panalo. Bakit ang biyaya ng Diyos, ganun ba kadali makamit yan? Basta may malaking santo ka sa bahay, mas malakas ka pangyarihan? Matapos kang bigyan ng umagahan na punot tanghalian, kanino mo binibigay ang kalwalatian? Sa kahoy lang na binihisan. Bili na kayo, rebulto, santo ninyo, swerte to, sabi ng tindera. O swerte pala, bakit binibenta? Hindi ko po hangarin manakit ng damdamin. Ang gusto ko lang kumurot. Kumurot sa puso niyo na may tunay na paglilingkod at Diyos ang dapat masunod, hindi tayo pipilit ng gusto natin. Tayo maglilingkod, hindi Diyos ang maglilingkod sa atin. Kaya di ba sabi mo, religyoso ka?
That's why people bash him, because he is telling the truth. But even though the Flip Top Battle League is not a platform to talk about the words of God, but Rapido is very brave. He doesn't mind the bashing. He just wants to make people realize that their beliefs are wrong.